So hi guys, in this video I am going to show you the best settings for Dolphin emulator in Realme devices and Oppo devices. So let's begin without wasting any more time. So first of all you have to go to settings and then go to general and take this override emulated CPU clock speed and then set as you wish. 80 to 85% is considerable, so I have set it to 85%. Different games requires different CPU clock speed, like Freedom Fighter game requires 70 to 60 and most of the games requires 80 to 85, so I'm setting here 85. Then if your game lags so much or too much, then you can increase speed limit to a little bit, like I have increased, and after that turn it off, sync on skip idle, and that's it. Then get back and go to graphics setting and then disable this because we are going to use OpenGL, and set aspect ratio to 16:9 or as you wish. Then go back and go to enhancements and then go to enhancements and set the resolution to the lowest default. And one thing is also to be noted that data resolution drains your battery faster. So if your battery drains faster, so set the minimum resolution and turn full scene anti-aliasing off and anisotropic filtering also off, and then turn this off, scaled EFB copy, and then you can disable fog and turn this on. This is the most important option, so I have turned it on. Here is also written, this is known in some case as deep flickering or smoothing. After that go back and that's it. Make sure to save settings by clicking here. Some people faces some issues like their characters are automatically running or anything else, so I will tell you one more trick to solve this. You have to download Z-Archiver, go to your Dolphin folder and then delete this config file, delete, and then go to your Dolphin emulator and you can apply the new settings. You can do one more work, that you can clear the cache memory of some applications which generates cache memory much faster than others. Guys, if you all haven't subscribed my channel till yet, then you must subscribe my channel, as one video requires much effort to make it. So to delete cache file you have to go to app info by holding the application icon, then storage usage and just clear cache. Same thing applies with the Chrome. These two applications generates much more cache, so I am telling you. You can do one more thing to solve sound problem and lagging in your games. Download Turbo Editor from Play. Set it to 0.6 and then click on save. I hope these tricks will work for you and your FPS will increase. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.